want to. M Queen, number one. Ooh, thunder. Right now, it is 2:28 p.m. Central Time, and I'm in Texas, in the U.S. Thunder. Oh my gosh, it's going to be time to be underneath my covers. Okay, here it is. I was like looking for my little pot. Okay, where did I start? Okay, here it is. Okay. Wow! Kind of got tangled in there. Do you hear that? Oh, it's raining now. It's raining now. Pink Froggy, it's going to be headed your way. I'm sure, depending on what's, maybe, because sometimes it'll shift a different way. So it might not be coming your way. There it is. There's the rain. That's my birthday rain. I love rainy weather. To me, it's not gloomy. It's relaxing, thoughtful. A good time to be quiet within yourself. Who was it yesterday? One of my daughters came and she was sitting in here and she's like, "Why are you in here without any music?" I'm like, "I've never liked music. You know, like when people are in the car and stuff, I don't need music to fill up space." I told her, I like to think. It's quiet. But I notice a lot of people need music, or that one of my sisters has TV on the background all the time at her house, and I cannot handle that. I I just cannot handle all that. It's too much, too stimulating, too I don't know, for me. And that's just me. So I always like it without music or anything. Sometimes when I want music though, I'll put it up loud. Ooh, I'm gonna flip y'all over so y'all can see. Tell me if y'all can see the rain outside. It's raining. It's raining. Ah, I love it. Rita, my birthday is on Sunday, March 30th. Oh, you're like me, Pink Froggy, always cleaning your room. Thank you, McQueen. I've been crocheting for 40 years. Over 40 years. I sure do have some patterns, McQueen. Go look at my channel, and you can look at my playlists. And I think I have them tutorials and then some beginner tutorials and things like that, so you can find it there. Oh, Rita, you need sound? Party time, and by party time, I mean napping. Or going to a coffee shop and crocheting, huh? Oh, here we go, another one. I think I'll go sit down and make some more dirt because I don't think I have enough dirt. Yes. Okay, let's hide this one in. Let's weave in the ends. There we go. How many do I have so far? Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, wow, that's pretty darn good, right? Pretty darn good. I wonder if you can make it a clip. Does this one make it a clip? Let me. No, not retouch. I don't want retouch. I want clip. Is that a clip? No.